This website will allow people like you and me to make money by chatting with people who feel lonely. Look at what they are saying here. Become a chat operator and work from anywhere, which means you can work from anywhere. Look at what they are saying here at the bottom of this page here. Say, do you like to write? And are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Apply today for a job as a moderator for an online fantasy network. It's simple. When I click on apply, it's going to take us to the applying session. But let me quickly show you around. You will see this applying application, but we need to scroll down a bit. The first thing you need to do is to fill in your information. Then the second thing is to verify that you are more than 18 years old. Then the third thing is that they are going to give you a training to make sure that you are really the type of people that they are looking for. Look at what they are saying. Let me just read that for you. Once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start, which means they are going to give you some few training to do before you start this job. What will you be chatting about? What are you going to be chatting about? Let me read it out a bit so that you understand what you are going to be doing. It says we have thousands of lonely Americans every day to have more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. Our users write online text message to fictional people on fantasy chat platform. Your job is to answer them and make conversation. So that is your job. You say you will chat about everything from everyday life, such as sport or weather or dreams or fantasies and other topics. An open mind is needed, which means you can do this job expressing yourself, talking about what they are asking you about. You don't need to have a particular question. You don't need to have a particular topic. So you can talk about everything as long as you don't give your information. You need to be anonymous. So you are not giving any information. If we scroll down a bit here, as a chat agent, you will be anonymous, which means you are not giving anything. Text only, no video, no voice. Work independently and with full flexibility. Earn more, depend on how often you work. Help those who need someone to talk to. Simple. And if we scroll down a bit here, you will see what is the salary. As long as you have access to the internet and have a PC or laptop, you are good to go. If we scroll down here a bit, I know you'll be wondering what is the salary. It's hard to say the exact salary, which is it's hard to say the exact amount you can make, which means you can make more than 3K. So look at what they say. It's hard to say exact how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who work 4 to 5 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $200 and $500 weekly. Some of the top agents make more than $3,000 a month, which means you can make more than 3K a month. It's not just only about 3K, which is $3,000. So you can do this. It doesn't matter if you have the skills or you don't have the skills. As long as you can write in English, you are the right person for this job. So look at what they say, decide your own salary, retrieve plenty of bonus and get paid weekly. So you can see bonus here, you can see flexibility. So all these are things that you need so that you can make more money. You can see weekly paid, which means you can be getting paid into your bank account. You can see we pay weekly and the payment is in euro through an online payment service. It can be like PayPal, it can be other online payment that they have. So that is what I want you to know. You need to be passionate about what you are doing when you are picked on this job. It's very, very important. That is what I'm recommending you to have. What are the equipment in order for you to be a chat operator, which is to be a chat agent? Like what I told you, master English in writing. Be at least 18 years old. It's a privacy statement and our contract terms, which means you need to at least accept their terms and conditions and sign the contract with them. Responsibility of your equipment. It say you are responsible for having the equipment needed to work. This means that you must have access to the device and internet. Minimum number of message per week. So you need to have access to all these equipment, and it depends on the amount of chat you have with the people that feel lonely, with the people that want you to have conversation with them. What is good here is that it doesn't matter the minimum amount of chat we had with them. It's the conversation you had with the people that feel lonely. That is how the conversation will keep on going. So if you are boring, they will just stop chatting with you. But if you are able to give them that conversation that they want, what they are telling you, you are supporting them, you are giving them ideas, opinion, motivation, like you make them to discover their dream is very, very important. If you are someone who like having real conversation in chat, so you need to know how to chat. Why do we need to see your ID? So they need to see your ID. They need to see that you are more than 18 years old because it's necessary. Look at what they are saying. According to United States law, we cannot let anyone under the age of 18 work as contracts with our service. Is what they have signed with United States, and it's what the United States is talking about. And you need to have a valid ID, which means you need to show that your ID to them to make sure that yes, this is what they are required from you. Once you give them, then you will be approved. Salary expectation. What is the salary expectation? Let us say you chat 1 week, you chat within 25 message to 35 message, which means you are going to spend 15 hours to 20 hours. You are going to make $100 to $110 to $117. In the 2 weeks chat, let us say you chat 35 message to 45 message, you are going to be spending 20 hours to 30 hours works, and you are going to be earning between $220 to $280. The 4 weeks, which is a month, you are going to be spending a month, and you are going to be spending look at the hours you are going to be spending. Sorry about that. This is the hours you are going to be spending if you spend 4 weeks, which is very little. For me, it's very good. Chat 45 messages to 60 messages average per hour, and you are going to be making between 20 hours and 40 hours, and the amount you are going to be earning is within $340 plus, which you are going to be making up to $1,000 per week if you do this. So this thing that they are just estimating what you can really get by if you chat in this sense. But you know that if you're having a conversation with people and the conversation might become longer, more you are more motivated, more you are more efficient, more you are positive, more you can make more money. It's like more the chat, more money. Lesser chat, less money. That is how this business works. It's very simple as that. So now you know everything about this business, and you know everything now. So what you have to do now is to make sure you have internet connection and have access to a good device, which is a laptop or a computer. Now let us apply. I will click on apply now. So now that I've clicked on apply, what they are going to do here is you are going to enter your first name, last name, enter your email address. Then here you are going to enter a motivation letter. Why do you want them to pick you in this job? It's very important. Why do you want them to pick you in this job? Motivation letter. So if you don't know how to write a motivation letter, you can go to ChatGPT, say, okay, write a motivation letter about me talking to people who feel lonely, chat operator. So write a motivation letter about me being a chat operator. So what ChatGPT is going to do is going to give you 300 or 500 character, a letter of someone who wants to become a chat operator, and ChatGPT is going to give you this. Once it gives it to you, come here and paste it, accept that you are more than 18 years old, and accept the contract, accept that you are more than 18 years old, and you click on apply. So once you click on send my application, they are going, this is the email you are going to receive. So this is the email you are going to receive, guys. You will receive this type of email, and all you just need to do is to read it through. So once you have read all the emails, then you can click on where it says verify email. So once you click on verify email, it's going to take you here. So once it take you here, what you have to do is to enter your first name, last name, and you enter your email address, and you will click on next. So once you click on next, it will bring you here. What you have to do here is to type in your nationality. You enter your primary language, which is English, and you enter your second language here, and you enter your gender. If you are male or female, you enter your date of birth. And at the bottom here, you have to select the best time that you know that you'll be available, and you can select the time here. So once you have completed the time that you are seeing here, the time you can be available, then you will click on what next. So it will bring you here telling you thank you, we will contact you shortly. So now it's done, everything is done. The other process is you that is going to do it. I will not go into that. That is very simple. So you are going to go through the training yourself. So now you are going to wait, and they are going to contact you and start putting you through the process of the training. And once you have go through the training, then they will start sending you chats. So that is only what they will do with you. And once you are done with it, they will give you login details and password to access that your account, and you are good to go to start chatting with people who feel lonely, and you will start making money online. So guys, that is the end of this video, and that is how you can use this strategy to make real money online, guys. I'm very happy that you know this way that you can use to start making real money online. And only what I will ask from you right now is to hit that like button, subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. It's very important to me. And again, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. And if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video. If you want to make money by taking surveys, you can watch the second video. I will see you guys on my next video, a way on how you can make money online for 100% free. See you on the next video, guys.